All right, it's a quick look at our Valley sky cams showing another beautiful sunset in the offing. A few high clouds drifting overhead. Not quite as gusty today, but temperatures on the cool side, and we're still in the upper 40s after reaching a high of 50 today. Northwest winds 13 miles per hour. Right now, Moorhead has 46 degrees. Temperatures are generally in the upper 40s and low 50s for the eastern third of North Dakota. We have some low 40s off to the far east. Baudette and Bemidji both at 40 degrees, 43 in Detroit Lakes and Wadena this hour for a cool evening. Now, as we look at those clouds streaming from northwest to southeast across the region, most prevalent in the northern valley as we head into the evening hours. Where is this big snow system we're talking about? Way up over here, making landfall in British Columbia. It's going to cause strong winds that will hit the Rocky Mountains. Once they hit the Rocky Mountains, it causes a kink in that jet stream flow, and we get what's called an Alberta clipper. But for many, this may feel more like an Alberta slapper. First measurable snowfall for the season could be significant. But let's get through the evening hours tonight. Light winds for the most part. Now, we do have some warmer air punching in, and as it does, we're going to see a chance of a sprinkle and more cloudiness on the Minnesota side of the river as we go through the overnight hours. Out to the west, we're going to have that warm air start surging in. Some may actually see temperatures steady to slowly climbing. Elsewhere, we'll have lows in the 40 to 45 degree range. Again, best chance of morning sprinkles on your Wednesday will be off to the east. After starting at 45, we start warming up. Winds west or even southwesterly in the late afternoon hours will allow upper 50s and low 60s throughout the Red River Valley. Right up to this line where the clouds are, that's the location of the warm front. North of that warm front, clouds and cooler temperatures for your afternoon. As we head into the evening, south winds continue. The clouds will increase, but enjoy your Wednesday. The warmest day left of the month of October, starting out in the low to mid 40s. Wind not too bad, becomes southerly, surging temperatures up into the low 60s for Fargo. And then by the evening, we'll see an increase in clouds and wind. Your hometown forecast shows the best chance at mid-50s to 60-degree weather from the Red River Valley and points to the west. Off to the east, more cloudiness, temperatures a little cooler, mid-40s to low 50s for most in western Minnesota. All right, the big storm system we're talking about, everything gets going on Thursday. Rise and shine, already snow along the international border. Many of these counties will see periods of snow throughout the day, and gusty winds as illustrated by the isobars just very close together, forcing that air to move in an awful hurry. As we go through the day, we may get some rain showers in Fargo, changing over to snow as we go through the afternoon, but Grand Forks having snow from the midday hour. Better chance of it changing over to snow a little bit later in the afternoon in Fargo. Already up north, we could have some travel trickery up there with blowing snow and zero visibilities at times because gusts could get ridiculous, particularly late. We're talking 40 to 60 mile per hour gusts with wind. Now, by the time we go through the overnight hours on Thursday, the heaviest bands of snow will be shifting east and south, but it'll be gusty. And by Friday morning, I think there will be impacts to a few communities. Not everyone's going to see heavy snow. Take a look at this. By the time we get done with Friday, you may not have much shovel trouble from the Red River Valley off to the western points, but from the northern valley, Highway 2, and into central Minnesota, 2 to 6 inches of snow accumulation, and with all those gusty winds, near blizzard conditions will be possible for some, not all. Here's a look at what you can plan on, though, as we go through the next few days. Not many leaves left on all the trees out there, but Cassandra capturing a beautiful one, backlit by the sun near Valley City. Thanks for that. Wednesday, enjoy. Thursday, hard to enjoy. Falling temperatures, deteriorating conditions, and Thursday night into Friday will bring the worst conditions. Some impacts to your Friday plans will be a possibility. A quieter weekend ahead, and a quick check on that Halloween forecast, you guys. It looks cold for trick-or-treaters. A peak temperature of 40 for trick-or-treaters, low 30s with wind chills in the teens and 20s. It's going to be pretty blustery.
You lost us way back when you said snow. The shock sort of set in, so we haven't heard anything since then.
Okay, we'll keep you updated.
Thank you.
You bet.